I'll do a little update on my build. As you can see, I've somewhat got the bracket on. I sand it, got to cut it here, bend it over. It's still like a beta stage, but it's pretty strong. The motor has been grinded down. The rim's taken off. New stator put in. Here's the one I built years ago. Probably still works. This one's got an issue. It works, but it was rubbing, so what someone decided to do is, you can see how it's nice and beveled here. Someone decided to take a hammer to it. I guess they thought it would shrink. It's too bad though, because I like the winding. That winding is pretty fast. If I can fix it, I'll keep that. But this one will do. It's clean. It's pretty new. I'm just working on the chain ring. Since it's going right to the back freewheel, I don't really need a freewheel on the crank itself. If I spin it on my finger, you can see it's pretty true. I've done this before with a brake, disc brake. So it's pretty good. Not gonna jump around. Just put Loctite on the screws, and then I'll hack them off. Just throw it in there like that. I got my motor ready to mount. So that's about as far as I got. I've installed a low amp controller. This isn't going to be like super fast. This is for distance, not speed. I might go with a 24 volt system. I believe this is 48, but I can modify it to go slower, or use 24 volts instead of 48. So got the throttle on. That's about it. I haven't touched the bottom bracket yet. I'm leaving that for last. I gotta get the bolt tool for it. But today I'll be hacking this off here. And then we'll grind it nice and round on the ends, no sharp edges, sand it down, drop the motor on it.